Just give me 5 seconds because I am spending many hours to search the best tools for you. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Pinokio is a browser that lets you install, run, and automate any AI applications and models automatically and effortlessly. No more opening the terminal. No more git clone. No more conda install. No more pip install. No more messing with execution environments. With the ultimate automation capabilities, Pinokio can even automatically install and run various AI engines and models on the fly, and then script them to make decisions and execute tasks. Any AI. Open source AI. Language models, llama.cpp. Image models, Stable Diffusion. Diffusers. Transformers. Etc. AI frameworks and APIs. OpenAI API. LangChain. Etc. Pinokio AI Quick Guide. 1. Install. Download, set up. Two. Interface. Navigate tools. 3. Input data. Import, verify format. 4. Model. Choose AI model. Five. Customize. Adjust parameters. 6. Run analysis. Start process. 7. Review results. Analyze output. 8. Visualize. Use visual tools. 9. Export. Save results. 10. Troubleshoot. Refer to docs, report issues. 11. Updates. Check and apply.